Hello everyone. We are going to associate a TRE500 motion sensor with a TRE201 receiver, for example to control an outdoor lighting. First, make sure the timer setting potentiometer is at least 30 seconds. This will determine the on-off function. Then enter into configuration mode by pressing CFG, like for all quicklink products. Select the on-off function on the receiver. We do not have to select the timer function, because we already use the timer of the emitter. To validate, press and hold CFG until it flashes. When CFG stops flashing, the on-off function is confirmed with red and green flash. Then, leave the configuration mode by pressing CFG on the emitter. The link has been created. We have been detected. After 30 seconds, the receiver will turn off.